No!
This goes back to our question a few weeks ago. Delete one thing from Earth.
He says women. He says women, which I feel is stupid because then the entire Earth is dead.
Strictly only because we can't reproduce.
We have scientists. We have scientists.
We're gonna make bone marrow babies. Who's gonna carry the baby?
You?
Gonna sit on your foam cooler too? Shut up, Jake. Gonna sit on your foam cooler. You are my bitch in everything we do, okay, Jake? You understand me?
Nah, if we all gonna speak something, I feel like it should be either Japanese or fucking French, because it's so funny. Hearing someone go wee wee.
Yo, sorry.
Somebody's broke ass got a new phone.
Yeah.
Mine's 1,000. Get your money up, not your money up. Oh shit. Jay, you good? Jay, you
Like fingers on your gun, but no. You know damn well you don't shave your ass. You're not expecting visitors. Huh? You shave your ass hair?
No.
Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked at you as a fell, and now you're in my way. Using them tools for a wish, pennies in the dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, and now you're in my way. Dark skin was growing.
Dude, there was 10 dude skins on the train fucking circling a one girl skin.
Oh my god. Shadow Clone Jutsu! Type! Run the train on the eagle!
What? You do it totally consensual.
Bryce, you
don't look at him trying to sneak up on you
at all.
You get fat.
There's an axolotl on the pink stairs. Is an axolotl.